Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp cannot open PDF file. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your WhatsApp apps, tap on this. Can see that your PDF file. Now go back to your home screen. Go to your Play Store. Search Share WhatsApp. Tap on this. You can see that your WhatsApp apps is already latest version and updated. Now go back. Again search Share PDF. Tap on this. Tap on Install. Your PDF reader is already latest version and updated. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your WhatsApp apps. Tap on PDF. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.